everyone, hope you're having an amazing day. I'm up there, I'm back. Today I have another recipe. I will make my recipe today, round courgette. We will make it together. Really, you will love it. So let's start. We'll take just the courgette, cut here the bottom, take a spoon, we will take the pulp it out, clean it. As you see, it's clean. Just last things here, take them out, and like that we have one proper clean. As you see, it's easy. You just turn to right hand, left side, and the left hand to right side. Easy. So just we'll put them here because we'll send them to the oven. Just a little bit salt, some pepper. You will really love it. And I will add some olive oil. Just that. You can send them, as I said, to the oven for 10 minutes in 150 degrees Celsius. So, see you later. Now we will prepare the beef. So, in hot pan, olive oil in. Spring onions. Just like that. Garlic. I have here. We'll chop the garlic easy. Now I will add my beef. I just cut it to small pieces like that. Will be ready quickly. We don't need much time. So here we are. We just cover it for 2 minutes. I'll be back. At this time, I will take the pulpit of courgette, zucchini. So now time to season. Add some pepper, with paprika, a bit ginger, salt, and some curcuma. And curcuma is good aroma. So at this time I will add a little bit dry oregano. Perfect. Now time to add this little bit of our courgettes. This time I will add a little bit coriander. Perfect. Yeah. Now, wow. Good. Now I have some goat cheese. I will add it here. You will really love it. Wow. And if you don't like goat cheese, you can just make some cream or white cheese, normal white cheese. We take here this beef. Yes, perfect. Just gently here. Maybe the aroma here. Wow. I'm sure that if you try this one, you will do it 1, 2, 3 times. Perfect. Now, this one here, other one here, that one here. And we will send them back to the oven 20 minutes. For 20 minutes in the oven, always 150 degrees Celsius. I still have a little bit sauce here, and I have some rest of rice, so I will take half quantity just to mix it here. This beautiful sauce like that. I have beautiful color. I will take my plate, make a little bit decoration, and we will serve. Now I will need this. Be careful because they are hot. Yes. So a little bit of rice here. Sound. Really you will like this one. Try it just at home. We have this white bit I prepared, as I said, rice. Also, this time I will just use the other colorful rice that I mixed with the sauce, just gently like that. Perfect. Then take this one, that, perfect, and the last one here on the mountain. Just a little bit parsley. Be careful. This time I will need I boiled them in water. Be careful, they're really hot. Gently like that. So just we'll make a little bit decoration here. This one to see what is inside. Perfect. Like that, you will try this at home. Really, you will like it. Here we are, our perfect stuffed round courgette with beef. You will really like it, something that at least will eat it, children as I said, and also adults. So if you try it, I'm sure you will do it again and again. See you next time, and bye bye.